time to pump up the volume because StarknightMT, the legends, have sent us a brand new soundbar to put in our Kemimoto U-Force 800XL. Now, one of the very first videos I did, we installed this Kemimoto sound system. And Kemimoto makes good stuff, but I have not been impressed with this system. I do like the buttons up here, but it's all highs, no lows, and it's just a nasty sound. But StarknightMT is here to save the day. We have this awesome soundbar. Let's open this up together, see what's in it. Right, and let me just show you the packing here. Looks like we've got some wires. Now, that's one thing about this. That Kemimoto was hard to set up. This thing is just mount it to your bar, plug it into your cigarette lighter, and you're ready. So I'm going to go get my keys so I can turn the side-by-side on so we can see what this bad boy sounds like. But we'll go ahead and get a little bit better look here. Here are our mounting holes. If you're curious, this is what the back looks like. Okay, so we've got power just to the cigarette lighter. Let's turn this thing on. Actually, when I turned my key on, it immediately powered on, but I wanted y'all to see it. I don't know if you have to hold it down or not.
Bluetooth mode.
All right, so this is what it looks like. This is a big dude here. Sounds good though.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Sounds good.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns.
All right, so it sounds better than the Kemimoto's.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Oh, it like sits. That's really cool, guys.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All right, I've got it mounted up there. Super easy. Fits perfect. Didn't have to do any modifications. Just did it just like the instructions said. What does it sound like? Let's see. Goodness, it's too easy. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 6 screws that you need, and plug it in and sync it to the Bluetooth, and you're done. You can't beat that. And it sounds great. I love it. I love it. This one is about to come down. I'm about to start figuring out how to get it all unwired. And that thing is wired to the gills. This thing, you just plug it into your cigarette lighter and you're done, and it sounds so much better. My first thing, I asked my wife, she's the one who listened to it the most. I asked her, do you like it? She said, yes, it's better. So what do you notice the most about it? She said, there's so much more bass. In fact, we had it on the song. You could feel the bass like in the chassis